Hi, in this video, we will see abstraction in Java. Okay, what is abstraction in Java? We will see. So abstraction is a process where you show only relevant data and hide unnecessary details of an object from the user. So to a user, you will not show everything to him. So if you want to show only necessary information, then only you can show to them. Okay, so here what they are it is saying, show only relevant data and hide unnecessary details of an object from the user. Okay, means it is a process of hiding the implementation details and showing only functionality to the user. Okay, so if you go to any ATM, okay, so there will be some interface. You will enter your PIN and you will withdraw the money. Otherwise, you will get the what is your balance. You might transfer some amount from one account to another account, but there, how data means how the money is coming out of ATM, okay, how it is interacting with the bank, how it is transferring money from one account to another account, how it is getting the balance from our account. So that you don't need. Okay, that they don't need to show you. Okay, so they'll give you only the functionality to you, but they will hide that actual implementation. So that is called abstraction. Okay, so abstraction can be achieved two ways. So following ways. One is abstract class, using abstract class, and the second one is interface. So abstract class and interface. With these two ways, you can achieve abstraction in your Java. Okay, so abstract classes represent generic concepts, thus they cannot be instantiated, being created to be subclassed. So in the abstract classes, you have a generic concept and you cannot create an object to abstract class, but you can, how you can means, what is the purpose? If you write something there, then how can you use that? Okay, so with the help of subclasses, you need to extend that class and you can implement whatever there in the abstract class in your subclass. Okay, their members include fields and properties and abstract or concrete methods. Okay, so this is not end actually. Okay, the members include fields or properties and methods are, there might be abstract or concrete methods. So concrete means the normal methods. We will write something and we'll implement, means we'll have some logic inside that method, that is called concrete methods. Okay, we will see with an example. Abstract methods do not have implementation and must be implemented by concrete subclasses. So abstract method means those are empty methods. Those should be implemented in the subclasses with concrete methods. Okay. Abstract classes must be declared with abstract keyword. Abstract methods must also be declared with abstract keyword. Okay. If it is abstract class or abstract method, you should use one of the keywords. Java predefined keyword is called abstract. You need to use that. Okay. So now we will see all these things. So let me go to this notepad. So I'll show you what exactly it is. Okay. So you take one class here. Class, just an example. Okay. So inside this, you have one method called method1. Okay. Void method1. So if you have something like this, okay, if you have something like this, you'll have some logic or without logic. But if you have these brackets, okay, that is something you implemented in the method. So this method is called concrete method. Okay, this is concrete method. But if you do not have anything, means you did not implement it. So just take an example again. I'll just name the class here, but void method1. Okay, and you will terminate here itself. Normally where you use the semicolon, for the method you will not use the semicolon here, but here void method1 you will put a semicolon. So this is called not implemented method. It is not implemented. Okay, this is not implemented. So because of that, this is called abstract method. This is abstract method. But how you make sure that this is abstract method? You need to use abstract keyword here. Okay. So if you have at least one method as abstract, then obviously that class will become abstract class. Okay. Like this. So you have abstract void method one, and you need to terminate like this. You do not have any implementation for this. This is called abstract method. So this is called concrete method. And if you have at least one abstract method inside this class, then automatically that class will become abstract class. Okay. So abstract class may contain, okay, abstract class can contain what? One is abstract methods. Okay, abstract methods. The second one is concrete methods. Both. There is no rule that you should have only abstract methods. You can have concrete methods also. If you have 100 methods, 99 are concrete methods, one method is abstract, even then also that will become abstract class. And you cannot create an object to this class. No object. Okay, you cannot create object to abstract class. Okay, if you create an object and if you want to access something from this, there is no implementation. What is the meaning of creating an object to this? Right. So because of that, you cannot create an object to abstract class. Okay, abstract class can contain only abstract methods and concrete methods both. If you have at least one abstract method, the class will become abstract class, and abstract class can contain abstract methods and concrete methods. And for the abstract class, you cannot create an object. Okay, this information you need to remember. Okay, so what could be the possible interview questions from this? So with the help of an example, we will see in our next video. So this is just theory. So let me clear this. So what could be the possible interview questions here? So what is abstraction in Java? So what is abstract class? What is interface? So interface we'll discuss later. So difference between abstract class and abstract means interface. So these kind of questions you may face. Okay. So that's all in this video. Thank you.